How to make a Paracord watch band or a watch strap with the Microcord stitching. Hello dear friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create the beautiful Paracord watch strap or watch band. We're gonna use the black Paracord 550, two separate pieces, and the gold Microcord, also two separate pieces. For this project we're gonna use the watch and two buckles, as well as the Paracord JIG or a rig. So before we start, if you learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner, information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So make sure to check the information cards and the description box. So let's start. First we're gonna take the ends of one strand of a black paracord, and then we're gonna find the center of it. So take the ends and pull it together, and here we have the center of our paracord. And now we're gonna, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. Okay, now we're gonna take this bite or loop and we're gonna insert it from the top into the bracelet, into the watch base. Here I have the watch adapter, so you can find it down below in the description box where to purchase if you don't have one. Everything we use in our videos, the supplies you will find down below in the description box. So we're gonna take and insert our loop into our watch base or these adapters. Pull those two cords through the loop, and by doing this we're gonna create the cow's hitches, like so. And we're gonna do that to the other side as well. And now take the one side and insert it from the top into the buckle. Pull it almost all the way, find the center, approximately center of length, and take the other two cords and as well from the top insert it into the buckle. And now we need to find approximately the center from the buckle to buckle where the watch will be, and I think this will be enough. So here I'm gonna secure it with my index finger from the back, one side. Let me just zoom a bit. And from here take the both cords and pass it through the middle, like so. Apply the pressure from the back side, and now we're gonna take the right strand and make it around on top of this core strand, and then we're gonna pass it from the back through the buckle and then through this loop we created. Now take this end of a paracord and pull it all the way to secure the loop, and by doing this we form the cow's hitches as well on this right side of a buckle. Now we're gonna do the same on the left one. And here we are, we finished our watch strap core, or a base as you wish. Now we're gonna take the ends and insert it from the top into the watch adapter next to these house hitches here. So from the top through, and now we're gonna start the trilobite weave. So take the right strand, make it around, and from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. And then from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side. From here, take the left strand and pass it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side, and then from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. And by doing this, we're gonna cross those two cords, as you can see, but one will be on top of those two middle cords and one be under those two middle cords. Now we're gonna pull it to secure it, and we're gonna proceed. Right side, from the top around the first cord, from the top into the gap between first and second core strand to the side, and from the back through the gap between third and the fourth core strand from this right side here. Now we're gonna take the left strand, we're gonna make it around the first core strand from the left, from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left, like so, on top of those two middle ones, and from the top into the gap between third and the fourth core strand from the left side. And once more we crossed our cords. Secure it, tighten it, pull it to the watch and proceed. So here, as you can see, I finished the one side of a Paracord watch strap with the Microcord stitching. Now I'm going to show you how to do the stitching part. So as you can see here, we have the part where our left cord goes under and on top, and our right cord goes on top and under. So we're going to start here where our left cord goes from the back, under and through. So turn the watch strap around and count 1, 2 and 3, and under the third we're gonna insert our first weave, so under, and now we're gonna pass it through here. Let me just zoom a bit more. Okay, so find the middle here, not here but here, and we're gonna pass it. So pull your microcord through, and now we're gonna start. We're gonna count 1, 2, and we're gonna insert it under the second one from the bottom to the top. Now we're gonna cross it to the other side, and also we're gonna count 1 and 2. And again cross it, and 1 and 2. So here we are, our Paracord watch band or a watch strap is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, consider the Paracord projects. You can leave in the comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!